today we see the concept of a standard Ethernet. So category of standard Ethernet, you can be see the standard Ethernet common implementation. So this one is a 10 base 5, second one is a 10 base 2, third 10 base 3, and the fourth one is a 10 base F. So we see here one by one. First we see the 10 base 5 implementation. We see the 10 base 5 implementation. So 10 base 5, it is a thick Ethernet. The first implementation in called is called 10 base 5, and also it is called as a thick Ethernet or a thicknet. The nickname derives from the size of the cable, which is roughly the size of the garden hose and too stiff to bend with your hand. So 10 base 5 was the first Ethernet specification to use the bus topology with an external trans receiver connected via tap to the thick coaxial cable. Figure shows the diagram of a 10 base 5 implementation. Next we see here 10 base 2 implementation. So the second implementation is called as the 10 base 2. It is also called as the thick Ethernet or a chippernet. 10 base 2 also use a bus topology, but the cable is much thinner and the more flexible. The cable can be bent to pass very close to the station. In this case, trans receiver is normally part of the network interface card, so which is installed inside the station. So this figure shows the diagram of a 10 base 2 implementation. Next, we see the 10 base T implementation. So the third implementation is called as the 10 base T, or it is also called as the twisted pair Ethernet. The 10 base T use a physical star topology. The stations are connected hub via two pair of a twisted cable as shown in the figure. Note that two pair of a twisted cable create the two path between the station and the hub, and the collision here happen in the hub. Compared to the 10 base 5 or 10 base 2, we can see that the hub is actually replaced by the coaxial cable for the collision is a concern. The maximum length of the twisted cable here is defined as 100 meter, and to minimize the effect of the twisted cable. Okay, so next we see 10 base F fiber Ethernet. So although there are the several type of optical fiber 10 Mbps Ethernet, the most common is called 10 base F. 10 base F use a star topology to connect station to a hub, and the station are connected to the hub using the two fiber optic cable as shown in the figure. So you can be see this concept in the figure. Thank you so much.